Welcome to the channel. It's a nice warm March day, end of March 26th, I think. Yeah, 26th. It's like 60 degrees, so finally getting out and doing some yard work. So today's going to be a lawn and garden video. Last year, my push mower, I have a riding tractor and a push mower, and of course, weed eater and stuff. But last year, my push mower, the body of my push mower cracked and started hitting the blade. The blade started hitting it, so I cut the piece of metal off on the body there, and now it vibrates too much, whatever. So it hurts my hands pushing. But anyway, I needed to get a new lawnmower, and I wanted to get one with a bagger attachment this time for helping me with the leaves and stuff in the fall and in the spring, because I got leaves that I need to suck up. If you don't already know, I have a bad neck and it bothers me to do the raking part. I can do it, but I hurt really bad afterward. My neck hurts really bad from raking and stuff like that. So I don't know, it must be just the motion of it, the raking. So I just wanted to have this so I could suck up the leaves. And I know it'll probably fill up quick and I'll be emptying the bag out real quick, but I think it'll be easier than, raking and also leaf blowing, because the leaf blower is the backpack one, the big one, and that bothers me too. So anyway, I end up getting one today. TROY-BILT, all right? It's a TROY-BILT 120C, just a regular push mower. I don't like the what do you want to call it? The ones that with the drives on it. I don't really like those. I like to push it myself. So I've done some research. This has some good reviews and some bad reviews, so it's mixed. It's mixed reviews. I was looking at this one or the Toro, but this one here has the 163cc engine, so it's bigger than the Toro one that I was looking at. If you're interested, if there's something that you're interested in, there'll be a link in the description below, and you can order it and have it shipped to your house. I ended up picking it up today, but you just order it if you're interested. Today's just going to be an unboxing and an assembly and get it running video. I'm not gonna test it out because I don't know if you can see, I still got snow and there's no grass really. It's just all dry. But I just wanted to get going. I've been off this week, so I had time, so I was looking at lawnmowers. Just wanted to get it all set up, ready to go for spring. Okay, so let me get the camera set up and we'll unbox this thing. All right. Okay. Let's see what it comes with here. All right. Well, must be part of the bag. Here's the bag. All right, and it looks like the oil, the chute, because this does also shoot, and instructions. And yeah. See if I can get this out of here.
A few moments later.
Well, let me open up the bag. We got some oil, 4-cycle oil. We got the chute if you wanted to put this in here, and it just hooks on like that. But I never use the chute, so that'll stay there. And instructions. All right. Got your owner's manual. Okay. I don't know, a couple different ones here. Parts manuals and stuff like that. I think I'm looking for this. Right, there we go. I don't know if you can see it, but it's the fast start, how to put this together. All right, so all we gotta do is take these red knobs off. Okay, fold this down. Put the bolt through where you want it. It does have a little bit of a, you could have it a little bit lower, you can have it a little bit higher, or I might put it right there. I don't know, we'll see. I think I'm gonna put it right here. There you go. All right, you gotta kind of get the square head in there a little bit. All right. So there've been some mixed reviews about this, about it being a little bit heavy than normal for push mowers. And I guess it, yeah, it is heavy. So take that off. Okay, discard, we don't need that. And this here. Okay, rubber band it, there we go. I don't know where that rubber band went. All right, make sure you put oil in. All right. But next thing, so I got those there. So you could also loosen these up. Take this out here if you want. And you can slide this up if you want it longer. All right, so you pull this up 8 inches until the holes line up here. So I'm gonna keep going here. Oh, there we go. Okay, there, holes came up. So there's another set of holes down here. And then now you just twist. Yeah. All right, yeah, there. Tight, tight. Okay, hold your handle. Slowly pull your thing out here. Your what do they call that? Your recoil starter, your pull start. Just slowly. Oops. All right, and then you can put it right in here. Okay. Then you tighten this up. And the knob is kind of rounded on the, so there we go. It should fit right in there. There. Okay. Next thing on the instructions say, pour the entire contents of the supplied oil into the oil fill. Check the oil level by inserting the dipstick. Okay. So here's the oil. Boom. All right. So we're going to pour this whole entire thing in there. Just going to pour it in, hopefully without spilling it. Don't pour it too fast. It's filling up in the tube here, so let it go soak down in there. So this is 10W30 if you're interested. All right, the whole entire contents is in there. Check to make sure it's good. The dipstick. Okay. Yep. It's in the middle halfway. Okay. Make sure the spark plug boot is connected to the spark plug. This is it right here. So it seems like it. Okay. Now we're going to fill it up with gas. This is just regular 87. So it says do not use any gas that has more than 10% ethanol, and this has like 10%. Right now, you know, gas is kind of high, so you know, to run super with no ethanol, get a little expensive. So I know my brother likes to use super in his stuff, but so fill this up with gas. Okay. Okay, put the gas away. Now the bag, does it say anything about the bag? It don't say anything about the bag here. But I can figure it out. So, all right. So this is the top. This is the handle, okay? So if you look here at the bag, you got a hard plastic bottom. Well, it's not really hard. And when you TROY-BILT at the top here, you have all these little clips here. You slide this in, and this will go right here like this. All right. This is a little hard here. All right. Okay. Right, there we go. All right. So here's the clip. I'm going to do the sides first and clip this side in. Forgive me. I'm not the great at recording and doing this stuff here. So, all right. There we go. All right. There we go. There we go. Okay. Takes a little bit because you're stretching some of this stuff off here, stretching it out a little bit. Just take your time. I know it's getting a little irritated here. I'm getting a little irritated with it, but.
One eternity later.
Okay. There we go. Whew. All right. I think I have it. Boy, this does not like me. But there we go. All right. Okay. Now, to put the bag on, just lift this up, and you got two little notches, one on each side, and you just put it up in here ahead of this. Okay, ahead of your handle, and it just stays there. There you go. That's it. If you want to use the bagger. Okay. But I'm not going to use the bagger right away. not till fall time, so we'll just leave that closed there. All right. And here, if you want to use the chute, you just put the chute on. All right, so let's kick this over and see if it starts. I don't know, is there a primer on this? I don't see no primer. So, this must be a primerless one. All right. Give it a couple cranks here. Look at that. First pull. Started right up. All right, well, I like this. It's got these wider wheels here, a little bit bigger in the back, but they're wider and they got a little bit of rubber on it. So wider, a little bit wider than normal. Here's your adjustment. You got 6 positions here, I think, and 6 on the front. So adjust it to what you want, how you want it. And yeah, but anyway, that's just my unboxing and assembly. It was pretty easy. Longest part was just, you know, recording. But like I said, this is just an unboxing and assembly video and just get it started. Started right up, first try, boom, good. I will do a follow-up video later on when the grass starts growing and I use it for the first time, you know, seeing how it cuts grass. And then I will also do another follow-up video later when I suck up leaves in the fall or I suck up some grass, because I do have one area where the grass grows a little bit thicker and it leaves a mess. So I may use this to suck it up, you know, because I use just the lawn tractor and it blows and it looks like a hayfield, because this one section grows grass wicked fast. So I may use it then. But so if you're interested in, you know, this, like I said, there'll be a link in the description below, and it will be an affiliate link, but you know, it will be no additional cost to you. And if you're interested in follow-up videos, you know, to this, hit that subscribe button so you're notified when I put out new videos. So when that does come out, you'll be notified. And if you want to see some more of my content, check out the next video up here. Yeah, until then, we'll see you next time. Peace.